Yeah, una bolsa de pango.
Sheesh. Some pancakes? Y'all want some pancakes?
Esta navaja. Esta navaja es tuya.
Se ve eso, te ves como travieso. Quiero probar tu peso. Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso. Quiero probar tu peso. Rico, 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 qué ricos, 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 se ve eso, te ves como travieso. Quiero probar tu peso. Ay, qué rico se ve eso, te ves como travieso. Quiero probar tu peso. Rico, 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 love you, love you, love you. Qué ricos, 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 love you. Love you, love you. Rico, 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 love you. Love you, love you. Qué ricos, 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 love you. Love you, love you.
Going?
By myself.
I'm gonna move forward then.
Thank you.
That was cool.
Like that one, Alpha.
That was cool. I want to raise the two-door, but he keeps taking off way before me.
That's
The one on the left is the new one?
Woo. That's the batteries. Out of gray one.
I'm not playing no music right now.
They got snacks. No. They got snacks. The whole community going to hell.
Yes, that's how it is. What type of racing right now?
That about fucking Prince.
It's alright. It's easier to flip that shit over.
Get tagged in this video.
Sheesh. It's alright. I did a bunch of those when I had a car. Yeah. Oh yeah, it wasn't fucking full speed. I did that a few times when I used to race my car. 183 or 185. That's all I have. I know, I want to race them.
Yours still stopped.
I want to race the two-seater, but when we take out at the same time, he kept taking off the car like, ah, come on. You don't say, his wheels are nice. Oh shit. Ladies and gentlemen, so we are at the trunk or treat. Got the decorations. Oh, stay out is already broken. Blind mice. This one, I don't know. I got Donkey over there, Fiona, another blind mice. At the trunk or treat out here in Dumont, California, and of course I'm Shrek. We had to be Shrek, you guys already know. So I don't know what I've been showing you guys so far this. I don't know what I've been showing you guys so far this trip, but I'm turning clips and everything. Right now we are out here on Vendors Row at the trunk or treat. Oh look, oh a little car. Right there. Halloween. Happy Halloween. That's good enough.
That's good enough? Yeah, that's good enough.
Dale. Yeah, he's blind.
Where do you want me to put this one?
I don't know.
Maybe just across the sides? Or across the back? Across these? I don't know. The back?
There's a lot of kids.
Where's the other bucket at? I have another bucket. Yeah, but
my mom's giving them candies.
What?
What's up?
How was marrying Fiona?
And we have Donkey too, look.
Oh, that's in the swamp. What are you doing in my... What do you say?
Happy Halloween.
Three blind mice? Yeah.
Three blind mice. Very good, very good.
Happy Halloween, guys.
Thank you, sorry. Oh, it's hilarious.
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Okay, how we got?
It's so funny.
That means we have to score one.
Oh, that's too funny. Everybody watching the game on different devices.
Let's go.
And we're in Dumont.
Are you ready? Woo! Yes, yes! We won! Hold on! We won! We won! We won! We won! Get this phone ready! We won! Shut up! Yeah! Yeah! Slow ass! Yeah!
Yes, yes, got it. All right, Dumont, you were good to us, but it's time to go. It's early in the morning. It's about 7:15. There's no line right now, so we already packed it up. We're gonna get out of here early in the morning before we catch traffic. So I'll update you guys when we get back to wherever we stop, our first stop to dump probably. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are home. We are home. It was a good little drive, 2.5 hours with the pumping. Thankfully, we left early. We'd have to deal with all the traffic getting out or on the freeway or dumping. So 2.5 hours to get here, load it up.